Welcome to qnawire.
Over here we want to know what is going to be the mass of aluminum phosphate that is going to be dissolved in 250 milliliters of a saturated solution. So over here we have two options in the case that they give you the solubility, which is often given in grams per 100 milliliters. In that case, you just need to multiply 250 milliliters times the value for solubility. Solubility in grams per 100 milliliters. Remember to always put over here the value of 100 milliliters, and this is going to give you the answer. The other possibility, which is the most probable one, is that you are given only the value for KSP. The value for KSP is going to be equal to 9.84 times 10 to the minus 21 under normal conditions. And in this case, this is going to look more like a chemistry problem because we're going to have aluminum phosphate as a solid that is going to aluminum 2 plus phosphate 3 minus. And we know that at equilibrium we're going to have the quantity of S and S, where S is going to be the molar solubility of the compound for each of them. So with this, KSP is going to be equal to S squared. Thus, the value of S is going to be a square root of KSP, which for us is equal to 9.9196 9677 times 10 to the minus 11 molar. Let me put it as mole per liter. Okay. I'm going to take like another decimal point, another decimal just for sake of the most possible, the better precision. So now with this solubility, we can transform it into grams per liter or grams per milliliter. So what we're going to do in this case is transform S into grams per milliliter. In order to do that, we know that the molecular weight of aluminum phosphate is going to be equal to 121.9529 grams per mole. So the solubility is going to be equal to the value that we just got, 96774 times 10 to the minus 11 mole per liter. We're going to multiply it by 129.9529 grams in 1 mole. Notice that both of them are going to cancel out. And next, we're going to transform the liters into milliliters. This is going to give us a value of 1.209 times 10 to the minus 11, 2097 times 10 to the minus 11 grams per milliliter. So that means that the amount of mass that is going to be dissolved in 350 milliliters is going to be equal to 250 milliliters times the solubility that we just found, which is 1.2097 times 10 to the minus 11 grams per milliliter. So this is going to give us 3.024 times 10 to the minus 9 grams. Now, just in the case that you were given the value directly of solubility, for example, the one that I found online on Wikipedia, is that the solubility of this compound in water is 1.89 times 10 to the minus 9 grams per 100 milliliters. So, if this value is the one that is given to you, then the mass is going to be directly 250 milliliters multiplied by 1.89 times 10 to the minus 9 grams per 100 milliliters. So this is going to give us 4.725 times 10 to the minus 9 grams of aluminum phosphate that would be present in a 250 milliliter saturated solution. So the result over here is going to depend on which quantity is given to you. If you're given the solubility as gram per milliliters, just follow this procedure. If you're given the value for KSP, follow the one above. So with that, it would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.